So
This is
Kathy's Cute Creations with
who are you?
my granddaughter.
Oh, okay. Not Kathy from Kathy's Cute Creations?
No.
Okay. Oh, Megan.
And we're showing Stephanie
boy.
Stitch's box. Like I said, this is take 2. The last one was on slow-mo, so you couldn't understand it. So it's unwrapped, but we haven't eaten anything. We haven't done anything with anything. So here's the pattern first.
Anything?
Yeah, the goodies there.
Oh,
So here it is, right here. That's the name of it. Here's the pattern.
what's the name of it? I can't read. I'm illiterate.
Rose Garden.
Oh,
no,
okay.
you just don't have your glasses on.
No. They don't even know that. I just.
So she gave us some goodies, which are really nice.
Those are my glasses.
And then we have some.
It's my turn. You
Okay,
showed
go ahead.
something. Thread.
And this is the type that I use.
It's Aurifil.
And
And the number
it's
is?
2024.
I thought it was 2224.
No, 2024 right here. Oh, you can't see it. Never mind. It's 2024.
I was testing you. Not that I couldn't see it.
And then we have another blade, and this is normally the blade size that I use because I use the 45. I only use my 60 when it's a lot of thick fabric. Okay, you want to show this fabric right here?
Sure.
Okay.
Did you show that?
Nope, not yet. Go ahead and show yours.
What does that say? It says I'm going to drop it.
And then what's nice about this is on the back, she showed all the different colorways that is in this fabric.
Can I hold it up?
Yeah.
Can you see it? There you go. I'll say I'll make sure. My big old forehead is in there too.
And then she gave us yardage for
It is. I have to like
the binding and the borders, the 2 borders. This is the wider border, the smaller border, and also the binding is this here.
Is it now? Is it now?
And I'll lay it out here so everybody can see it. Not in slow mode.
Hopefully not.
Thanks, Stephanie. Wonderful box this month.
Bye.
Here we go. Got it all laid out here on the table.
Again.
And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of those longer lasting, the endurance blades. Okay.
That's what it says.
No, but I mean, they supposedly last longer than just your regular average rotary cutter blade. Okay.
Do you want to show the? If I can. Okay. You can't get them to.
Come apart.
Yeah, I'm struggling.
And there's the pattern. That's not a hard pattern either. That's the good thing about Stephanie's. These are really nice and easy. They're not hard. Just follow the directions. You can't go wrong. And thanks again, Stephanie. Thanks everybody for watching. Catch you next
There's a
time.
fuzz on there. I'm sorry.
Bye.
Bye.